dungeon.
Gee, even the moon people are afraid of me.
The tree men are attacking! The tree men are attacking! To the walls! Defend the city!
Hooray! You got him on the run!
Come on, men! Keep fighting! Let me down, you coward, and fight like a man!
Gosh, they need help!
For your valiant defense of my people, I knight thee, Sir Friend Casper.
Casper, the friendly ghost, the friendliest